Welcome to Cambodia, a land where ancient history meets modern life, known as the Kingdom of Wonder. Cambodia is one of Southeast Asia's most beautiful and affordable travel destinations. And today, we're going to explore why it deserves a top spot on your travel list. Let's start with the heart of Cambodia, the magnificent Angkor Wat. This isn't just a temple, it's the largest religious monument in the world. A breathtaking symbol of Khmer architecture that will leave you speechless. Imagine watching the sunrise paint the sky behind its iconic spires. It's a moment you'll carry with you forever. But Angkor is more than just one temple. The vast archaeological park is home to hundreds of others, like the mysterious Bayon Temple with its giant smiling stone faces, and Ta Prohm, where massive tree roots have reclaimed the ancient stones, just like in the movies. Beyond the temples, the vibrant city of Siem Reap is your gateway to adventure. Here, you can explore bustling night markets, sample delicious street food like fish amok and beef lok lak, and experience the incredible warmth of Cambodian hospitality. The people here, with their resilient spirit and infectious smiles, are truly the soul of the country. Take a cooking class, visit a local craft workshop, or simply relax by the river. There's so much to do. But Cambodia's wonders don't stop there. Let's travel south to the bustling capital, Phnom Penh. This city is a fascinating blend of old and new. You can visit the opulent royal palace and the gleaming silver pagoda, which are stunning examples of classic Khmer architecture. For a deeper understanding of Cambodia's recent past, a visit to the Tulsleng Genocide Museum and the Chewing Egg Killing Fields offers a powerful and moving history lesson. It's an emotional experience, but essential for appreciating the strength and resilience of the Cambodian people. After a day of exploring, you can unwind at one of the city's stylish rooftop bars, enjoying panoramic views of the Mekong River as the sun sets. Craving some beach time? Head to the southern coast. The islands of Korong and Korong Samlom are pure paradise. Think pristine white sand beaches, crystal clear turquoise waters, and a laid-back vibe that's perfect for unwinding. You can go snorkeling with bioluminescent plankton at night, hike through lush jungle trails, or simply swing in a hammock with a good book. It's the perfect tropical escape, far from the crowd. For those who love getting off the beaten path, Cambodia offers even more. You can explore the lush countryside of Battambang and ride the famous bamboo train, a truly unique experience. Or venture into the wild Cardamom Mountains, one of Southeast Asia's largest remaining rainforests, where you can go trekking and spot rare wildlife. From floating villages on the Tonle Sap Lake to forgotten temples hidden deep in the jungle, there's always a new discovery waiting around the corner. Cambodia is a country that captivates your heart and soul. It's a journey through time, a feast for the senses, and a lesson in human resilience. It's a place of incredible beauty, both in its landscapes and its people. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip to the Kingdom of Wonder. You won't regret it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through Cambodia, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel guides from around the world. See you on the next adventure.